opportunity for this event is that offer to also all the people, the citizens, also to young people, and a vision of the life science world, really from the European and worldwide point of view, and how to apply on this territory. That means we are trying to explain to also to local people what are the opportunities that they could take in this territory, and we want to help the companies here to be contaminated from outside, from other new startup or new research centers that want to invest and to cooperate here to develop new business and new products with some benefit also for our territory and our people that are living in our territory.